Is it? Is it on? Holy cow. It has been a hot minute since I made a video. A lot of people have been asking me, messaging me, hey man, when's the next video coming out? You kind of fell off the face of the earth. Well, the last video, the 240, you guys haven't seen it, but basically it's running and driving now. I can cruise it around, no problem. I still gotta install the angle kit, the rear brakes and everything, but I just put it for sale. I'm not really sure why, but just kind of seeing what's out there. Maybe I want to change platforms, not really sure yet. But yeah, so my motivation has really died over winter. I put it in a storage unit and just kind of forgot about it. I don't know, today just kind of was a motivational day. I'm here with the Mustang and I have a bunch of parts for this thing. I'm really going to focus on this thing this year, I think. Gonna probably do 85 injectors. I got everything sitting at the house for it actually already. So today though, we're going to swap the intake out to the PMAS intake, one step closer to running E85. I really hope this thing starts because it hasn't been started in quite a while, so let's go ahead and get a cold start. Wow, it's been a really long time. It didn't even want to start. Man, I really miss this car. I don't know, we got some decent days right now in Ohio, so I kind of want to take advantage of them. This car is so filthy. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's pretty covered. So here's the glorious motor. And today we're working right here. This is the Roush factory intake. And so we have this glorious box of parts. New intake, got a filter, we got all the hardware. I mean, you guys can just see how big this freaking intake is. Put my whole fist in there. So there's no directions, but it's pretty straightforward. We're gonna go ahead and just take off all the hose clamps, pull everything out of there, and then the PMAS should just match right up. I see that actually deletes a lot of the ports that are on there that are capped for the factory, so look a lot better once it's in there. Alright, got out of there. That was probably not the right way to do it at all, but it's pretty gemmed in there. But the towel saved the paint, so no problems at all. Now we have a nice large hole to work with. Throttle body is nice and empty, and the intake will go all right here. Alright, I got it all installed. Sorry I didn't show too much of it because there was no instructions, so I was kind of figuring out as I go and I didn't have time to record. But I got it all installed. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up and see if it runs. Well, there you have it. It was a short video, just kind of telling you guys what's been going on, how the 240 is running and driving. I currently have it for sale. If it doesn't sell, I will gladly finish it and I will gladly side it this year. But other than that, Jay and Chris have been pretty busy on their cars. They got angle kits, so we'll do a video on that soon. Jordan got a new Mustang. He got a Fox body. He's been sliding that. Andrew has been around. He is putting an SR in his 240, and Lauren unfortunately is selling her BMW, but doesn't matter though, so we're all gonna hang out together this year though. It's gonna be a great season still, no matter what. But it actually just started snowing again. We get one nice day, then one snowy day, so I think my motivation has gone, and I'm gonna go back in the house. So until next time, don't forget, like and subscribe. We'll be getting more videos out once the weather breaks. Like I said, we'll be doing all kind of builds and we'll be sliding everywhere. So stay tuned.